Special thanks to Laut for sponsoring 9 to 5 Mac on YouTube. What's up guys, Miles here with 9 to 5 Mac, and today we're going to be checking out the Capsule Impact AirPods case from our friends over at Laut. This case is made from a soft thermoplastic polyurethane and hard polycarbonate panels to protect the center of the AirPods case, which essentially means that this is the AirPods case that you want to go to war with. It's also got a pretty sturdy carabiner for those of you who want to clip it to your pants or a backpack or anything like that. What I like about the case is that while making your AirPods case a lot more rugged, it still allows for the quick draw opening mechanism, which is something I really like. It's also compatible with both generations of AirPods, which includes support for wirelessly charging your AirPods with the case still on. It's been drop tested for up to 13 feet, so in most use case scenarios, you shouldn't ever have to worry about your AirPods being broken while in this case. And this is all due to their impact technology, which uses internal grooves around the frame to ensure that your AirPods stay in place while dissipating any shock from the AirPods themselves at the same time. With the promo code 9to5Mac, for a limited time you can snag these guys for 15% off, so make sure to hit the link in the description and head on over to snag one of these while this promotion still lasts. Thanks to Laut for sponsoring this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.